Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. So if you're having issues with your YouTube search not working, well, currently it is working on my end, and this started to work after I switched my internet connection. So basically, the other connection wasn't connecting through to the servers, or maybe it's just fixed on YouTube's end. However, if you're still having this issue and you see this video somehow, you could long press on the YouTube icon, select the little eye in the upper right corner or app information. Then you'd need to look for storage. Then you'd need to clear cache, clear data, and click on OK. Now, once all of that is done, and as you can see here, people are on Twitter. You are not the only one with the issue. People on Down Detector. So you are not the only one with the issue. But if this ever occurs in the future, I'd advise you to clear cache, clear data. Let's go ahead and launch the YouTube application. And if we should search something here, so let's just do a random search. We will have some results here. So you could switch your internet connection, connect to a VPN, or clear app data and cache. So that's basically it, how to fix YouTube search not working. So thank you for watching. Hacker777 out.